For us, it's always been about keeping people safe. And that commitment clearly goes for the new armored XC90 plug-in hybrid, designed to help protect against external security threats. The XC90 is our large luxury SUV, and with recent design and comfort updates, it offers an even more intuitive, refined, and contemporary experience. From the outside, there's nothing to indicate that this car is armored. And on the inside, you get the same convenient features like Google built-in, an air purifier, and optional 360-degree camera. You can have it in any color and with any interior that you like. Now, this plug-in hybrid has the same driving characteristics as the standard XC90. And in fact, in electric-only mode, you can drive up to 67 tailpipe emission-free kilometers. It's the suitable choice for anyone who desires more protection but less emissions in their daily commute. For our team, it isn't just about adding material when armoring. It's about maximizing protection while maintaining the driving experience and safety features. Now, the armored XC90 comes with the same sensors, radars, and cameras as the standard version. You don't need a special license to drive it, and you'll blend into traffic as any ordinary driver. Now, the first step of the armoring process is actually to disassemble the entire XC90. Then, using advanced 3D scans of the entire body and component layout, we create armor parts that seamlessly integrate with the car's original structure. First, we apply aramid. Aramid is a synthetic fiber made from plastics that are heat-resistant and tough. Now, you might know it as the key material in bulletproof vests. It's extremely strong for its weight and can absorb a lot of energy from impacts. And because of this, we use layers of it around the car and on the roof for maximum protection. Next, we replace all windows with this specially developed laminated armored glass. It's made by layering multiple sheets of regular glass and strong plastic material together to absorb the force of impact. This 19mm thick glass doesn't interfere with existing cameras or safety systems, and it's engineered for maximum protection while retaining excellent visibility. The windows in the rear don't open for safety reasons. On top of the aramid, we reinforce the chassis using custom-made stainless steel parts. Now, this is essential because the most vulnerable part of any armored car are places like the joints, the overlaps, and the pillars. And these are places that can often get overlooked at a retrofitter. And by being so accurate, we don't add any unnecessary weight. The use of high-strength boron steel in the safety cage of the standard XC90 gives us a significant advantage in optimizing the car's protective capabilities. We've also reinforced the brakes, added heavy-duty 20-inch wheels, and ensured that the armoring doesn't affect the driving. Once the armoring process is complete, we conduct automotive testing, including durability simulations on various road conditions to ensure that each vehicle meets the Volvo car's safety standard. And I can assure you, this car is just as easy to handle as any other XC90. Additionally, we conduct ballistic testing. Here you can see an armored XC60 after being exposed to 300 shots. To pass and be certified, all 300 impact points on the car must be improved. The complete car is certified according to American NIJ-IIIA armoring standard in combination with the UK and European standard VPAM-BRV 2009. That's an in-depth full car ballistic certification by German Institute Beschlussam Ulm. Volvo Cars is the only car brand with an armored car that fulfills both of these standards. Alongside ballistics, there's also a test that simulates vandalism. Here, we make sure no one manages to break into the car. On the inside, everything works exactly as it should when you order an armored car from us, from the airbags to the sensors, radars, and cameras. And the spacious feeling inside isn't compromised. Even with the layers of armoring, the cargo space has a generous 623-liter volume. Opening and closing the tailgate is power operated. As an owner of an armored XC90, you have all the same warranties, insurance rights, and service agreements as any other Volvo owner. Turning to a retrofitter could impact this coverage. When it's time for service, you can take it to any Volvo workshop and they can handle it. And if something's broken, they'll replace it using genuine parts, ensuring safety. The armoring process is detailed and meticulous for an exceptional driving experience with all the features you've come to know and love from Volvo. There's also the option for an XC90 with the mild hybrid powertrain or for the smaller XC60, our midsize SUV. Whether safeguarding against kidnapping, theft, robbery, or personal threats, the armored XC90 is designed to provide peace of mind. We simply stand by our commitment to protect what's important to you.